We're at Fashion Island in Newport Beach. Now Fashion Island is a pretty famous mall here. It contains the flagship stores for a lot of major department stores and other individual stores. It also has a lot of really good restaurants. To our left here is Sessions Deli, which gets great Yelp reviews. To our right here is Le Pain Quotidien, which is a Belgian bakery, which we went to when we were in Brussels, and their food is really good. We like it. Fashion Island is also famous for all the different fountains. It has many different kinds of fountains here, and they're all interesting, they're all different. It's a fun place to come just for a day, relax. There's a little Chinese checkers fountain that has little balls of water jumping out, and kids like to come and try to stomp on the balls of water as they come out. It's kind of a fun thing to do. Generally, we like to come here. It's relaxing, it's open air. The people here generally tend to be pretty beautiful because it's in Newport Beach, a very high income area, and it's a fun place to come.
Order for Steve.
Yeah.
Enjoy, guys.
Doing for video.
Okay, as for me, oh, look at that.
Blueberry's pretty good. Not wonderful, but it's not bad. The banana and peanut butter is very good. So I got 3 flavors. I got the Belgian chocolate, the salted caramel, and the strawberry sorbet. The Belgian chocolate is ultra rich. Very, very good. The salted caramel, it's creamy, it's sweet, and it's savory. It's pretty good. And the strawberry sorbet is almost pure strawberry. It's really, really fresh tasting, really good. So at one end of the mall, you can see the ocean right from behind me, and it's a beautiful place to just come and sit and watch the area. Generally, like I said, this is Newport Beach. Newport Beach is a very high-end place, and it's a fun place to come, and it's also a beautiful place to just come. You can enjoy the sunset from here too when it gets to that time.